Is your Instagram notification not coming on your Apple Watch? This can happen due to notification settings, connection issues, or focus mode being enabled. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram notifications not showing up on your Apple Watch. So let's begin. Before doing anything else, make sure these basic settings. Single tap on the power button. Make sure that your do not disturb mode is turned off. Then scroll down a little bit. Make sure to turn off silent mode as well. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. Open up the Settings app. Tap Notifications. Then toggle on the Notifications indicator. Scroll down and turn on all the options here. And then tap Show Notifications on wrist down. Now make sure to enable Show Notifications. Scroll down and toggle on the Instagram app to get notifications from, and also enable these settings from your iPhone Watch app as well. Solution 2. Change Instagram notifications from iPhone. Grab your iPhone, open the Instagram app, tap Profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now tap on the 3 lines icon from the top right corner. After that, tap Notifications. Make sure to toggle off the Pause All option. Then turn on all the settings from here. If you're still facing the same problem, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Allow notifications on iPhone. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Notifications. Scroll down again and find the Instagram app. Tap on it. Now simply toggle on the Allow Notifications option. And this is how you can fix the Instagram notification not coming problem on your Apple Watch. Hopefully your issue is fixed now. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any questions or video suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.